Hi, I'm Kiana. I'm a bio major and I'm from Irvine, California. Right behind me is Founders Hall. Founders Hall is home to all of our bio, biochem, chemistry classes, and also all professors' offices are right behind me as well. If you're a bio major, biochem major, or chemistry major, you will probably have a class in one of these rooms right behind me. In addition, the Founders Hall is home to the Marine Lab, which is one of my favorite parts of this building. As the student manager, I have grown so much as a person and as a leader. We do a lot of things on campus and out in the community as well. One of my favorite parts about being the Marine Lab manager is getting to do the outreach programs all across Southern California and here in Orange County. We love to go to schools, elementary schools, and even do city events all year long. It's one of our best ways for us to give back to the community and be a part of Concordia as well. We also do a lot of student research, so throughout the year you'll see many people, students, and staff doing research on oceans, here on campus and off campus as well. Lastly, our Marine Lab is completely student run, so anyone, even if they're not a bio major, can still help us out and volunteer.